Volvo's Sporty Polestar 1 order books open early 2018. Volvo's sporty electric-focused subsidiary Polestar has been making steady progress toward launching its first car, the 600-horsepower plug-in hybrid Polestar 1. The company began building its factory in Chengdu, China, and now has announced that it will finally, officially open the order books for one of the sports coupes early in 2018. Up until this point, the company was just accepting registrations of interest in the car. The company will start putting orders in for people who have expressed interest. The countries with the most people showing interest will also be the first to get brick-and-mortar Polestar Spaces, basically showrooms and dealers. American fans of Swedish speed will be glad to know the US will be one of the first places with Polestar Spaces.